Hello and welcome, dear students. Today we are going to solve the problems on the article complex cube roots of unity. So see your example. If omega is a complex cube roots of unity, then we have to find the value of first problem omega plus 1 upon omega, second omega square plus omega cube plus omega power 4, third 1 plus omega square whole cube, fourth 1 minus omega square whole cube plus 1 minus omega plus omega square whole cube. Fifth problem 1 plus omega into second bracket 1 plus omega square, third bracket 1 plus omega power 4, fourth bracket 1 plus omega power 8. So let us we solve. First to write given, here given that since what is given, omega is a complex cube roots of unity. So when omega is a complex cube roots of unity, we know two important results. First result is always value of omega cube equal to 1, and second result is 1 plus omega square equal to 0. So when omega is a complex cube roots of unity, we can take these two results. Omega cube equal to 1 and 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. So we solve first problem. We have to find the value of omega plus 1 divided by omega. So we simplify this by cross multiplication. We get omega into omega square plus 1 divided by omega. Then we substitute value for omega square plus 1 from this result. See here, we have to find value of omega square plus 1. So from this second result, value of omega square plus 1 nothing but this plus omega on right side, that is minus omega. So substitute here minus omega divided by omega. Here omega cancel and we get minus 1. So minus 1 is the value of first problem. Similarly second, we have to find the value of omega square plus omega cube plus omega power 4. So here first we simplify. Observe here we can take here common. So from each term we can take here omega square common. So in bracket 1 plus from omega cube, omega square outside means we get here omega. From third term omega square outside means we get omega square in bracket. So it is equal to omega square, and from the second result we know value of 1 plus omega square, its value is 0. So here we can write 0, and omega square into 0 is 0. So 0 is the value of this second problem. Then continue third problem. We have to find the value of 1 plus omega square, its cube. So it is equal to, see here 1 plus omega square, we can find again value of 1 plus omega square, and its value is minus omega. Substitute here minus omega its cube, and minus omega cube means we get minus omega cube. Minus sign means minus 1 its cube, that gives minus omega cube. And from the first result we know value of omega cube, its value is 1, and note that minus 1 is the value of this third problem. Let us continue. Fourth problem, we have to find the value of 1 minus omega square whole cube plus 1 minus omega plus omega square whole cube. See solution. So which is equal to, we can write first bracket written as 1. From these two second term we can take minus sign common. So in bracket omega plus omega square whole cube plus, for second bracket we combine first term 1 with omega square and minus omega as it is second term and its cube. So it is equal to 1 minus, from second result is 1 plus omega square equal to 0. So you can find the value of omega plus omega square. Its value is minus 1 whole cube plus, again from second result, value of 1 plus omega square is minus omega its cube. So it is equal to 1. Here minus minus we get plus 1 whole cube plus, here addition minus omega minus 2 omega its cube. So it is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2 its cube plus minus 2 cube means we get here minus 8 and omega cube as it is. So 2 cube is 8, plus into minus minus sign 8. We know value of omega cube from the first result, its value is 1, and we get 8 minus 8 and equal to 0. So 0 is the value of fourth problem. Continue fifth problem. We have to find the value of 1 plus omega into 1 plus omega square into 1 plus omega power 4 into 1 plus omega power 8. See your solution. Write first bracket as it is 1 plus omega, second bracket also same 1 plus omega square, third bracket we can write 1 plus omega power 4, we can write omega cube into omega power 4 written as omega cube into 1, base same, sum of n dashes 3 plus 1 means 4, and last bracket 1 plus omega power 8 can be written as omega cube, because we know value of omega cube, its power 2, that is 3 into 2 6, omega power 6. So 2 left, right into omega square, total power 8 here, that can be written omega power 3 into 2 means 6 plus this 2, 6 plus 2 power 8, bracket close. So it is equal to 1 plus omega, second bracket 1 plus omega square, third bracket 1 plus, we know value of omega cube, that is 1 into omega. From the first result, value of omega cube is 1, then 1 omega cube again 1 its square into omega square. So it is equal to 1 plus omega into 1 plus omega square into 1 plus omega into 1 plus 1 square is 1, 1 into omega square means omega square. So it is equal to, here first bracket and third bracket same, so we can write here 1 plus omega into 1 plus omega means 1 plus omega square. Second bracket and last bracket same, so we can write 1 plus omega square bracket square, and this can be written 1 plus omega into 1 plus omega square and complete bracket square. Then take product in bracket, first multiply by 1, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into omega square, then multiply by omega to this 1, that is omega, plus omega into omega square, omega cube whole square. So it is equal to, in bracket 1 plus, from these three terms we can take common, so take here common as omega, so in bracket we get 1, from omega square, omega outside means we get here omega, from omega cube, omega outside means we get here omega square bracket square. So it is equal to 1 plus omega, and from the second result, value of this bracket nothing but 0 bracket square. So we get 1 plus omega into 0 means 0 its square, 1 plus 0 that is 1 its square, and we get 1. So note that 1 is the value of this fifth problem. Okay, we stop here. Till then, goodbye.